Hello guys, me again. Thought I'd make another video to catch up and give you guys something to watch in the meantime. And what I've done is I've serviced my Forge 008 diverter valve, done in my way. There's a couple of other ways that I've seen online, but I've done it my way, so I thought I'd add that to the channel, something to keep you guys entertained. And yeah, it's pretty cheap, doesn't really cost anything, and you'll see what's needed to do it. And should be easy enough really, because you need to maintain these things, make sure they're all running beautiful. And I think mine's done 10,000 miles, I think, from the last time I serviced it. So yeah, have a watch and I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Right guys, let's get started. So main things we need really is just some Allen keys. So Allen keys, Vaseline, put a brake cleaner. This stuff, I love this stuff, it's really good at cleaning stuff up. A little tub just to, once I've taken everything apart, clean it in there. And that's about it. And that just to help take off the O-rings. That's about it. It's hardly anything really. So start off, let's see if that's the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. So yeah, this is our diverter valve here, this Forge 008. This is like the revised one, the one after the 007 one. Open this up. Quite a cold day today. Jeez. You can already feel the pressure of the spring trying to push it open. So just hold it tight while you remove your screws. I think the other 007 actually had a better system where where you screw it on and off. And so there we go. Take that apart. I've got the yellow spring in my one. Push our piston out. Now mine's only done about 10,000 miles since the last time I serviced it, so it's not really even that bad. Still looks okay, but there's no harm in cleaning it up. So let's double check the piston to see if there's any scoring or anything, which there isn't. So gently take these off if I can. Nice and gentle. Feel those. Yeah, those still feel okay. They're not solid. Good to have this little picker tool, as you've seen in my previous video somewhere along the line. It does help. Come out of there. Yeah. Yeah, it's still okay. So yeah, the piston still looks fine. Give that a clean. Inside there looks fine. Just make sure you inspect to make sure there's no scoring or anything in there. Which still looks okay actually. Yeah, that actually looks fine. Just to double check. Yeah, you can see it's all still fine. Okay, and our next step, stick it in there. Just cut a 5-liter container open, or I use this for draining oil and stuff, so it comes in handy. Yeah, that's still okay. You might as well give that a clean too. So get our brake cleaner. see all the dirt that's come off there. Wow. Yeah, you can look at that. It takes it all off. Nothing in there. Get a cloth. Clean that nicely. Get your pinky finger in there. Make sure that's all nice and clean. Like brand new. Nope. Look at that. That just gets rid of everything. That really good. Really good stuff. So that's one of those things done. I might just give that a bit of a rinse. You can use a brush if you like, but mine hasn't got that much dirt in it, so I'm just using the cloth here. You can use if it's really dirty, then you can use a brush to really get into all the nooks and crannies. That looks nice and clean. You can definitely see there's no scoring or anything on there, so still in brilliant nick. I might just clean that, give that a squirt. If you do have an air line or compressor, it does help to just blow this. Nice and clean. Beautiful. Lovely. Yeah. Off. That's all nice and clean. And our spring. Clean. So put that to one side. Hands are freezing, man. Ooh. Good old cup of tea. Keeps you going. Oh man, hands are freezing. Right. So for our next stage, let's get our trendy Vaseline. You've seen me use this before. This stuff is honestly a beautiful tool to have in the garage. Sorry, I missed something actually. We'll clean these, just wipe them. Don't yank on them too hard because you can damage them. Just give them a little wipe. Yeah, that's that one. I'm surprised after 10,000 miles that was still clean in there. I thought it would be just full of crap in there, but it wasn't. Just surprising. Right, so then we'll get our Vaseline. Just coat the inside of this thing lightly, not too much, just a light coat. don't want to put too much because it's, you don't want it going, you just want it to lubricate it a little bit. You don't want it to start getting blocked up with Vaseline. Alright, so that's coated nicely. What we'll do as well, same time, just coat these O-rings. Put that on there. See? Right, so that's those done. At the same time, before we put the O-rings on the piston, give the piston a bit of a coat as well. It's all lubed up. Then try and get these on. First one on. Okay, second one. Hands are all slippery here, so bit of a pain, but we will get there. Yeah. Once those are on, just go over them. This. Right. That to one side. I don't know, I might just put some on that spring as well. It will be moving up and down, so let's get rid of any friction. Just on the tops and bottom. So that over there. And now we're gonna get this bugger in. So just wanna make sure you don't squeeze the O-rings. Slowly get it in. Yeah, there we go. But we'll push it up. Yeah, that's fine. So what we'll do is we'll push it sort of halfway up and just give it another light coat. Yeah, push that down again. There we go. Fingers are all greasy here. Bloody hell. Make sure there's nothing on there. Alright. A little bit in there, which is fine. Then, just put that back. So, line that up. Yeah. Is ready. So line that up nicely and push it down. lid, it's right down flat. Put our first screw in. It's quite tight actually, quite hard to hold down, but there we go. The second screw, I suppose it has to be with that tension of the spring, eh? Last one. Fingers are that cold, I can hardly feel anything there. And then there you have it, all serviced. You can try and push the plunger. Yeah, oh, nice and lubricated. Then you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video, but yeah, and there you have it. Good old Vaseline, eh? Sorted. Thanks for watching, guys.